afternoon, everybody. Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, located in Colfax, North Carolina. CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We have a unique trailer to display today on our used trailer inventory. So this is a 2017 Shadow. It has custom graphics. So I'm just gonna spin around. This trailer is an 11-foot short wall with a manual slide. Does have a rear ramp. So I can come over here and give you a little bit better on the graphics. So this trailer has an escape door, 3 drop windows, 2 manger storage boxes. This does have aluminum wheels. Does have a load light on the side. Gonna kind of come on up underneath, show you 2 propane tanks, battery box, hydraulic jack. Does have a stainless nose. Again, 2017 black custom graphic Shadow, 11-foot with a slide. Just gonna pop in. An idea in the back. It does have rear collapsible tack, swing out saddle rack. This trailer does have manger boxes as well as the manger feeders. This trailer does have fans. This trailer has a lower divider. All in all, this trailer is in excellent shape. This would be an all aluminum trailer. This would be an interlocking aluminum floor. This trailer does have a power awning. It does have a load light here on the other side. Does have extrusion along the bottom. Just gonna step in the LQ. This does have a ducted AC unit, propane furnace. So the slide is a manual slide. It's on a pulley system. The couch does make a bed. It is a jackknife or futon style. So I'm just gonna come in, cabinets above your slide box. This trailer does have a TV on a moving arm, large fridge, ample floor space, tongue-tied there, microwave, 2-burner stove, kitchen sink, again, propane furnace, and it does have ducted AC. So the bathroom actually has 2 closets, hanging space in both. This trailer does have a sink and vanity. Does have a big 1-piece shower. So I'm just going to spin back around on the LQ. Does have a radio, inside outside speakers, power awning if I didn't say that already. So all in all, the trailer is in excellent condition. I'm going to spin back out. Again, this trailer has a custom wrap. So this trailer was wrapped. So I'm just gonna spin back out, give you guys another visual. So 2017 Shadow 3-horse Mangers. All right guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, Colfax, North Carolina. CarolinaTrailerSales.com. Ashley Carroll, you can call me 828-773-4500 or text me anytime. Thanks a lot guys.